Hello my good people. Today I'll be making what is called upside down chicken potatoes. So I'm pulling the chicken down or everything down. That's the reason I call it upside down. And when you are doing, you need to be very careful. So I'm using not the front part of the knife, but the lower part of the knife that is blunt to pull the flesh down the bone. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. So, and also you need to be very careful that you don't cut your hand. Yeah, see? The blunt side of the knife is what I'm using. So, you see how the chicken is? So, when you season it, everything will go inside and the chicken will be so soft so soft and moist. So, I'm now done pulling down all the chicken. This is chicken drumstick, as you guys can see. And now I'm putting them in a bowl to mix it with the seasonings. So yeah, okay, I hope you can see. You see how it is? So it's just the bone, so everything is just done, which make the chicken really moist. So now I'm pouring in the seasoning, the black paprika, powder garlic powder, onions, and then yeah, those are the things that is in that thing in the bowl. Yeah. So I also have lemon, which I squeeze it off the camera. I squeeze it out of the camera. So I'm going to still mix it here. So keep watching as I'm doing so. You also use this soy sauce. I only put 2 tablespoons of it and then mix it. Yeah, after finish with everything, I have to clean, spread it with some things that will kill the bacteria. So after finishing doing all those things, now putting the pot in the fire, putting all the onions I'm going to use because I have to make something like a sauce for the chicken. Yeah. So I'm putting the chicken in there with the onions. Sometime I called, one funny thing is that sometimes I called this lady chicken. So yeah, so all is there. I have to rinse the bowl with little water and pour in there too. Then after that, I'm going to cover the pot and leave it there to be well boiled before putting them in the oven. So I have to do this, turning the chicken around so that it will not stick to the pot. I know I'm using non-stick pot, so but even with that, so as I said before, just rinse the bowl and then put the water in there. Put a little more water so that it can be well cooked. And then after that, I'm going to make the sauce, which I will put the chicken in. Cover it for some minutes. So by this time I will be getting ready to peel the potatoes. Yeah, this is the potatoes here. I'm washing them and peeling them at the same time as you can see. Because I'm using potatoes for this upside down chicken potatoes sauce. And now I think the chicken is almost ready by this time, so I'm going to lay them and then put them in the oven. The avocado oil that you've just seen is what I'm going to use to spread the tray. The tray, I laid it with foil and then put the net in and then spread it everything. So this is the chicken at this time, which I'm going to take them out and put them in the oven. So keep watching, please. 7A, because that will make the chicken to be moist as the way it is. So I will reduce the oven to. So I put some of it with I put asparagus in it too, and then I put it in the oven as you can see. And then so this is 350. I'm going to reduce it to 270. So I will press bake back again and then click minus. $217 and then click start. I will leave it here for like about 30 minutes and see how it's going to be. So let me go ahead and do others. So now is the time for me to wash the vegetable I'm using. I'll be using squash, the 2-color squash, celery, and bell pepper for this. So I allowed the bell pepper to cook for 5 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to cook will be celery. And I will only allow this to cook for 2 minutes because celery gets soft, very soft, softer than the bell pepper. So now is the time for me to make the little sauce for the chicken, as I said before. So the onions is here, and I will let it soft a little bit. Then after that, I will add tomatoes to it. That is the tomatoes that I made by myself. So I'm adding to it. Then stir it and make sure everything is well mixed together. So, and then after this, I'm adding seasoning to it. Yeah, that is the seasoning to make it tasty. And then a little bit of salt. And then black pepper. I put it there too. then mix everything together. So test it to see if everything is okay. So now I'm putting the chicken in, and then I will push the sauce inside the chicken so that it can be tasty. I want everything to go inside. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. Keep watching, please. So just take a look at this. Oh my goodness. In here looking at it, somebody should be salivating. Woo. So it's now going to be time for me to put everything together. Everything. We are almost there to the end of the thing. So I spray oil around. I spray oil all over the pan. And then the first thing I will be putting here in the pan will be, these are the things I'm using. So the potatoes is already cooked and seasoned. This is the vegetable that I saute for a few minutes.
From the chicken that I made.
So I'm going to start with the vegetable first, putting them in.
This organic drumstick, there was no fat in it.
So please keep
instead
watching.
Of crushing the water, so I use it to boil the potatoes.
Oh, that's remind me, please. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and subscribe. Please, I'm a new YouTuber. Please help me to subscribe. Thank you so much. So at this point, I brought everything to the middle of it. This is the chicken. Yummy.
So let's
honestly, this chicken is really, really yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy chicken. Yeah. So as I said before, the tray here is a breakable tray. I already spread it. So yeah. So the tray is dry. And
so when it comes to this point, the first thing I do is to spread this oil. I already showed you guys this oil before. Yeah, so I'm good. It's olive oil, sure. I got it from Costco. So I am now spreading it everywhere. The reason I'm spreading this so that the food will not be stick to the tray. So this is the breakable tray I'm using. So the first
I have to make sure this tray before I spread the oil that it is well dry. Before then, now I'm putting the vegetable in. Yeah. At the bottom of the tray. And then after that, I start putting the potatoes in.
Yeah, I'm going to use all the vegetables, but I'm putting it bit by bit, not all. Just bit by bit. My hand is clean, so don't worry about my hand.
And the next thing I'm putting it is this lady chicken drumstick. Yeah, remember what we call this. This is upside down chicken potatoes with veggies. So I kept adding things little by little. First, I started with spreading of oil, and after that, I spread the sauteed vegetable in, followed by potatoes, and then chicken. So this is like 2 layers of it. Yeah. At this point, I'm spreading the last tomatoes to it. Oh, this is so sumptuous. Upside down chicken potatoes. It looks so pretty, so attractive. Oof, I love this. I make this all the time. It's always very delicious. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait to eat this. This is one of the potatoes that fell beside the gas burner.
So I'm about to put this into the oven. My kid love this food, and you will love it too when you try it. It's so good. It's so delicious. Very, very healthy. It's better than fast food.
This is fantastic. So now I will soon put it back into the oven for a few minutes. Not too much, just few minutes. Yeah, just few minutes. Yeah, I'll put it there for like 10 minutes. Then I will take it out of the oven. Yeah. So also
however, my husband doesn't
got
like
a plate for my husband, but this one is without
eats
potatoes.
every
This is
other
just
thing. So I
vegetable,
got this one for him.
and
This is the lady chicken
squash,
drumstick that I made,
and then the lady chicken.
I mix it with
The lady
I got
drum chicken that I
asparagus.
put in here.
He likes asparagus.
Oh man,
especially the one baked. This one I bake it. I didn't boil it.
And
this here the squash.
You want some?
This is squash, bell pepper, and celery.
I can't wait to eat
the one I
this.
sauteed, and it's all just half done. So this is his own food. He doesn't really like eating too much
I think the oven one is
I'm
almost ready, and I will bring it out. Yay, it's ready. This is the end of this product. Please subscribe, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.